Hawaii is known for its breathtaking views, beaches, and birds found nowhere else in the world. Many of these birds are found only on certain islands. It may surprise you to find that Hawaii is also the extinction capital of the world. With over half of its bird populations extinct, the islands lay at the forefront of the battle against extinction. Of the 126 species that once inhabited Hawaii, the island of Maui alone is left with only 6 species of forest birds, half of which are endangered and 2 of which are critically endangered and on the brink of extinction. Compare that to the amount you could count from your window right now. On Maui, the Maui Parrotbill is the most endangered of these forest birds, with only 500 birds confined to only a small strip of pristine rainforest. This curious bird spends its time in the understory of the rainforest, using its large bill to pry the bark off trees in search of insects. Each year, a pair will lay a single chick and may raise the chick for up to a year and a half. The parrotbill and the other Maui forest birds live primarily in the rainforest on the slope of the inactive Haleakala volcano. This remote forest receives up to 400 inches of rain per year, creating a beautiful forest full of thick understory and overflowing streams. While beautiful, it makes research and management of this species very difficult, with constant rain, thick mud, and fog covering the entire forest. To research, monitor, and help save the population, we here at Maui Forest Bird Recovery Project spend many hours in the field searching for individuals and nests. We can tell each individual apart by catching them in large mist nets and placing bright, colorful bands on their legs. This allows us to uniquely identify each individual without having to handle them further. The information we gather from monitoring nests and capturing individuals has told us much about the current status of the birds, as well as the success of current management strategies. From this data, we've learned the limited available habitat can only sustain a small population. Therefore, the best hope for reaching a healthy number of birds is expanding to new places on Maui. Restoration efforts are currently underway on the leeward side of East Maui, which could potentially support approximately 300 individuals. Before we can hope to do this, we need a successful strategy for relocating parrotbill into this new habitat. By studying conservation genetics, we can evaluate current genetic diversity and use that to estimate the right amount of birds to create a new established population. By moving a genetically diverse cohort of individuals, we can ensure the best chance of survival and success for the parrotbill. We're confident about handling and moving these birds because of what we've learned breeding and raising them in captivity. As you can see here, this individual we caught in the wild not only survived, but in fact gained weight while we moved him to the breeding facility. Your contribution will help us complete the genetics work needed to establish this second population of parrotbill, and help with our continuing conservation efforts to save this truly unique bird.